1 tide pool, the same creatures, all morning long. 3 naturalists kneel at its edge, each watching for something different. When you've seen the same world 3 ways, how do you put those views together? The first records color, the second, rhythm, who stirs as the tide turns, the third, diet, same pool, same creatures, 3 notebooks that will never quite agree. Take just 2 notebooks, color and rhythm. CCA asks one narrow question: is there a look that keeps time with a behavior? It finds the blend of colors and the blend of rhythms that rise and fall together, and reports only how tightly they move. Which 2 notebooks rise and fall together? Weight each one, a recipe of colors, a recipe of rhythms, and score how well the 2 track across the pool. Push that score as high as it goes. The peak is the first canonical correlation. The next pair hides in what's left. It sees only what 2 views share, and only ever 2. Now don't choose 2, take all 3 at once. MOFA Plus imagines a few hidden forces shaping the whole pool. A current, a temperature, a tide line, each leaving its mark across the notebooks. Strong in some, faint in others. What few forces shape every notebook at once? Write each notebook as a handful of factors and their weights, plus noise. The weights are sparse, so each factor can be named. Some light up every notebook, some only one. The model learns which, its signature as a single ledger, how much each factor explains, in each view. The third naturalist tries something stranger. She stops describing any single creature. In each notebook she asks only, which ones resemble each other? 3 webs of resemblance. Then she lets them talk. A tie scene in all 3 grows bright. A tie scene once fades, round after round, until the webs agree. If every notebook agrees, who belongs with whom? From each notebook, a web of similarity, and the few neighbors each creature trusts most. Every web is rebuilt from what the others say, again and again. Lone ties wash out, shared ties survive. What remains is one fused web, and its tied knots are the communities. Watch what happened to the camera. For color and rhythm, we circled each creature and labeled it, the language of trays. For the last web, we stopped labeling and drew lines between them, the language of resemblance. 2 methods describe the creatures, the third arranges them. That turn is the real fork in the road. So they aren't rivals at one task. They answer 3 different questions. Use CCA for 2 layers, to see whether and how they move together. Use MOFA Plus for many layers, to find the hidden programs behind them all. Use Network Fusion when the features can wait, and you need the grouping the data keeps confirming. Same pool, 3 honest answers. The tide will turn, and the pool will empty, but the question stays, for any data measured more than one way. Align, explain, or arrange. Choose the question first, and the method follows.